Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys and girls, I'm absolutely sick right now. I have a fever, I have sore throat, cough, everything, but I still am here for you guys and girls because Bitcoin is currently on the move. Something terrible just has happened. The previous day, something good has happened, and I'm going to go over all of these things as soon as I can because I'm just literally dying here. So because right now I'm putting in a new trade, I'm going to show you exactly which trade I've taken, and if you're not part of my Telegram channel, there's a link down in the description of this video, then you missed out on a quick scope trade that we've taken, which is really awesome. And a big update on my Discord channel is coming. It's launching very soon, where my actual signals will be available to you for free. So all I'm asking for you guys and girls in return for me making this content, even though being absolutely sick right now, is like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Because I'm not one of those pansy YouTubers that if he has a temperature, he's not doing anything. I'm there for you 24/7. Call me Mr. Spot on that in the comments right now. And subscribe and just like the video, all I'm asking. So basically, right now, when it comes to technicals, this is what we are seeing. So we had this long range, and we were squeezing this level right here, which is basically 19,600. But now, we also had this kind of a small squeeze here, which is breaking down right now. But the big question is, because we've had, if we're going to go to a bigger time frame, we've seen this squeeze happen, then it broke out, it turned into a fake out, but then suddenly it actually has pumped back above yet again, gave us some hopium. A lot of people were actually celebrating, and the reason for this pump, to be honest, was this thing right here. Bank of England intervenes with temporary quantitative easing to stem sell-off. So basically what England did, they started quantitative easing. So it's basically, turning the money printer back on, so to speak. So, but in reality, here's what they're doing. The purchases will be carried out on whatever scale is necessary to affect this outcome. So basically, the Bank of England has delayed gilt sales, which was to be the start of the reversal of quantitative easing, instead making temporary purchases of long-term dated gilts from today to restore orderly market conditions. So they see that the market is just breaking. So quantitative easing and money printing and all that stuff is absolutely amazing for high-risk assets, right? So that's why we saw this pump, and especially if we're going to go to a smaller time frame right here, then we're going to see that this is where this pump came from. And I told you in my free Telegram channel that I'm going over to BitGet and I'm actually placing a trade, which I actually did. And so basically, and then since something terrible just came out, I'm going to get to it in just a second, so stick around till the end. Very important information. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because we might be in for another crash. I mean, everything is screaming, a crash is coming. So let me just get this out of the way. So right now I have a new trade, which is obviously a short trade. I'm going to explain exactly why. But here in order history, we're going to see that I actually took a long trade, which I closed just now because bad news came out. So I've taken, I know it's a tiny profit, but it was a small scalp trade, but I flipped it. And this is the thing, when people are saying, well, it's beautiful to flip a trade. And I mean, that's the thing, trading all these small impulses, and especially when you're using fundamentals, if something really terrible comes out that overrides the positive that resulted in a pump, it's always great to just flip a trade. That's why you're part of this community. That's why you're subscribing. That's why you're liking the video. Let's just talk about this. So yes, I just entered into a short trade on BitGet, which is currently at a small loss right here, but I think it's going to go lower. And if you guys want to be trading on BitGet yourself, remember that down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, there is a link to BitGet, which is going to give you these bonuses right here just for signing up, 20 USDT. For depositing, you can get up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, blah, blah, blah. You can pause the video and take a look at all the bonuses that you're actually getting. And the craziest thing with BitGet is that even if you're a break-even trader and you use my link down below to sign up with BitGet, then every time when you're trading, they're going to give you rebates on your commissions, which is insane. And they're going to be credited to your spot account every single day. Let me show you how this looks like in my account. So this is what I am getting every single day for trading. So basically, and this is always credited to my spot account, so it's not fake, it's real money. So even if you're breaking even trader with BitGet, you will actually make money. So sign up with BitGet right now and enjoy all these insane features. So let's get to the topic of why is it actually breaking down right now, and then we're going to take a look at some bigger price targets that I have for this trade and what I'm seeing and all the dangers of this trade, etc. So the reason is this one right here. So what we have here is September's PCE data, and as we can see, the previous was 4.7, so the expectation was also 4.7, and what happened now, basically, it came in at 4.9. So, guys and girls, this is absolutely horrific. This is absolutely terrible. We got some positivity, yes, from this thing that UK was starting the quantitative easing right here for sure. And we were thinking, maybe the good old Powell is going to be the next one to turn on quantitative easing as well, print some money, boost these high-risk assets, etc. But this thing just came in, just barging in and breaking everything, showing that what Jerome Powell is doing is simply not working. So 4.7 previous, 4.7 was forecast. Well, actually, I think that previous was 4.6. I don't know why it says 4.7, but okay, never mind. Forecast was 4.7. The most important thing is the forecast. So what the market was pricing in, and it came in at 4.9. That's a very big difference. So that's why right now, in terms of the technicals, we had this squeeze right here, which is obviously breaking down right now. And we have a small support coming in, just basically based on small technicals in basically the 1 hour chart. So the support is going to come in at basically 19,121. Then the next support could come in basically at around 18,500. If we're going to go to a larger time frame, then we're going to see exactly why this could be the case. And then the next target could potentially be 18,200, which is basically the support. Let's go to the daily chart. It's going to be the support of this whole wedge that is happening, because this is, guys and girls, what we are waiting for. We're waiting for this wedge to finally break and give us a bigger target and give us the inclination of what is going to happen in the near future. And with this kind of PCE data, it's no good. I mean, I don't see how. I mean, anything can happen. Again, this is not financial advice. The market can react to certain news in a completely unpredictable way and can rally for whatever reason. This can happen. This has happened so many times before. So there isn't a single trader who has 100% accuracy rate. But all we can do is calculate the probabilities and control our trades. So the probability right now with this kind of terrible inflation reading that the price is going to go down, obviously. So, and if we're going to be breaking this wedge of going down, then this is our technical target right here, and I think that we could bottom out in this vicinity between $12,000 and $14,000. So this is what I'm currently seeing. This is what I'm currently betting on, and this is the reason why I've put in this trade over on BitGet. But certainly, again, you do your own analysis, do what you want. Just remember that there is a link down in the description to BitGet and all these insane bonuses that you can use for your own trading right now. And as always, make some noise down in the comments for the algorithms. Thomas Crowell, peace and love. Me being secure. Like the video for this. And I'm just going back to Netflix right now. So stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.